Development is regulated growth resulting from an interaction of the genome, cytoplasm, and environment. This is a programmed sequence of events that is typically not reversible. Differentiation is an aspect of development that includes the forming of different types of cells and organs through specific regulation of gene expression. With a combination of differentiation and development, we can create a developmental network to show different kinds of biological processes. It is important to know that activators induce or promote transcription of mRNA and are represented by arrows, while repressors inhibit transcription of mRNA and are represented by T-bars. In this video, I have created a developmental pathway based off of the popular TV show SpongeBob. As you can see, the pathway begins with Squidward, who activates transcription of SpongeBob. SpongeBob will then repress transcription of Plankton in order to keep him from repressing Mr. Krabs. If transcription of Mr. Krabs is repressed, the secret formula is lost and most likely taken by Plankton. But if Mr. Krabs is transcribed, he obtains his secret formula. In order to fully understand the network, we need to understand the biology of it. Developmental networks represent biological processes, while characters represent a gene or a gene product. In this example, the repression of Krabs by Plankton can be explained by DNA methylation. If DNA methylation occurs at Plankton, methyltransferases are added to the DNA. This will accrue deacetylases to enter and remove acetyl groups from the histone tail, making the DNA and histone more compact. This makes it more difficult for transcription factors to come along and initiate transcription of Krabs, which is why it is repressed. It is also important to know that a phenotype is not caused by a change in genotype, but an epigenetic change. This explains why multiple gene products are able to interact to produce a phenotype. Wild-type version of the network, Squidward will activate transcription of SpongeBob to stop Plankton. Once SpongeBob is transcribed, he is able to repress Plankton, which will prevent him from repressing Mr. Krabs, keeping the secret formula safe and sound. This would be the wild type's end phenotype. However, if a single mutant occurs and SpongeBob is not present, Squidward will be unable to activate transcription. This leaves no character able of repressing Plankton, which allows him to repress the transcription of Mr. Krabs. This leads to an end phenotype where the formula is lost to Plankton. Now, if a double mutant occurs and SpongeBob and Plankton are not in the network, there will be no repressor affecting Mr. Krabs. Even though Squidward is unable to transcribe SpongeBob, the repressor Plankton is absent, allowing Mr. Krabs to hold on to his secret formula, which is a very different end phenotype compared to the last mutant.